Hello everyone, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Pushkar Prakash Jadhav. I am studying in 10th standard PJ School Wada and also in Chanakya Academy. This presentation is inspired by Samir sir and also subject teacher Kalpesh Mahale sir. First, we have to know that what is embryology. Embryology is the study of the development of the anatomy of an organism in the adult form is also called as embryology. Embryology provide evidence for evolution as embryo formation in widely divergent group of an organism tends to be conserved structures that are absent in the cells that are absent in the adults of the same some group of often appear in their embryonic forms, disappearing by the time of adult children form in reach. For example, vertebrate embryos. Vertebrate embryos all have gills which eventually become ear canal and also have tail bones. All passage stages is represent a larval fish. The development of embryos. There are 6 types of embryos. Similarities in early development, homologous structure, vestigial structure, embryos recapitulations, comparative embryology, evolutionary conservation. First, similarities of embryos. Vertebral embryos are resemble one another in the early stages and only in experts can differentiate a human embryo from the embryo of chimp, lizard, frog or fish in the early stages. The embryos of closely related animals are more alike than those of distant reality animals. You can see in this picture. Second, homologous structure. Structure in embryos that lead to different adult form in various species can be homologous, showing evolutionary connections. For instance, vertebrates like human, bird and bat have forelimbs with a common development origin despite their different functions. The third, vestigial structure. Some embryos display vestigial structures remain of an ancestral features with lost function. Examples include rudimentary gills like in human embryos, reminiscence of all aquatic ancestors. Fourth, embryological recapitulation. Embryonic development retain ancestor feathers that illusions with evolutionary relationship. This concept proposed by Aristotle Haeckel suggests that the stages of embryo development mirror of species evolutionary past. Fifth, comparative embryology. Studying embryology from different species reveals similarities and difference in developmental process. Comparisons help scientists infer evolutionary relationships and understand the evolutionary history of organisms. 6. Evolutionary conservation. Evolutionarily conserved development genes and pathways plays crucial roles in embryonic development across diverse organisms. The presence of these shared genetic mechanisms support the idea of a common ancestry and the evolutionary conservation of developmental process. What is the importance of embryology? Understanding and development of embryology helps us to understand how organisms grow and develop from the simplest creatures to human medical application. This knowledge has numerous medical applications including assisted reproductive technologies, prenatal diagnosis of birth defect and regenerative medicines. Evolutionary insights. By studying the development of different species, embryology can shed light on evolutionary relationship and the history of life on Earth. Thank you.